Share changes with your team in the Rational Team Concert client for Microsoft Visual Studio IDE. Lesson 1. Create a repository workspace from a stream. You will create a repository workspace from a stream and load the workspace components to a local file location. First, ensure that Jazz Source Control is set as the current source control plugin. Changes that you make in the Solution Explorer are accumulated in a change set after you check in a file or folder. If you enable automatic check-in, then every time you save a change, it is copied to the repository workspace and becomes part of the current change set. This behavior ensures that all local changes are automatically backed up to the repository. Enable automatic check-ins. A repository workspace on the server stores components as versionable artifacts to load into a local workspace, such as a folder on your file system. Create your repository workspace from the core library VS 2005 stream. Note, because Jazz Source Control is set as the source control plugin, view source control under the Squawk project. Components represent a logical group of features under a stream. You can have multiple streams that represent modules, and each stream can have multiple components. Select the components to add to the workspace. By default, the Load Repository Workspace After Creation checkbox is selected so that you can load workspace components to a local file location that you specify. If prompted, open a solution that is associated with the workspace files. The solution opens in the Solution Explorer window. End of Lesson 1. Lesson 2. Deliver changes and resolve a work item. In this lesson, we make changes and deliver them to the team stream. We also associate the changes with a work item and resolve the work item. First, make a change to the file. The changes are visible in the Pending Changes window, which lists all of the repository workspaces. A message in the window indicates the type and number of pending changes. The Solution Explorer also displays the changes with an indicator. A work item is a way of tracking tasks and issues that a team needs to address during a development cycle. Consider associating source code change sets with work items so that users can navigate from a work item to code and back. In the Pending Changes window, we associate a work item with the changes and deliver the change set to the stream. Deliver the change set and resolve the work item. End of Lesson 2. Lesson 3. Accept changes from other team members. In this lesson, we accept changes that team members have delivered to the stream. View these changes as news items in the Feeds window. The Pending Changes window displays changes that other team members delivered to the stream. Compare the changes with your local workspace. View work items associated with the changes. Accept the changes into your repository workspace. End of Lesson 3. Lesson 4. Share a project and solution. We create a new project and solution, then share it in the repository so that other team members can access it. Create a new C# project and solution. We select the repository workspace and component where we share the solution. To prevent sharing certain files or folders in source control, you can restrict them from being checked in by ignoring them. The project and solution are added to the repository workspace. The project and solution are displayed in the Solution Explorer window as outgoing changes. Switch to the Pending Changes window and deliver the changes to the core Library VS 2005 stream so that the team can access them. In the Solution Explorer window, the orange icons indicate that the project and solution are under version control. End of Lesson 4.